The GOV.UK design system helps teams in the public sector quickly design and build usable, accessible digital services. It contains guidance and code for the most common typographic styles, colours, grids and layouts used on the GOV.UK website. From these foundations, we've created a library of accessible web components for things like buttons, forms, banners and more. Components are then combined into patterns that help users complete common tasks like entering names and addresses, filling in forms and creating accounts. Everything in the design system is thoroughly documented and tested to make sure that it's as useful, usable and accessible as possible. Pages on GOV.UK that have been built with the design system download about twice as fast as those that haven't. That's because they use about half as much code. The GOV.UK design system is supported by a full-time team who are continuously improving and adding to it. Since June 2018, we've released nearly 40 new versions of the design system. And last year, on average, we released a new component or pattern every month. Many of those improvements were made by our users, who regularly contribute work back into the design system, so that everyone else may benefit from it. With their help, for example, we've added support for different programming languages, and for design tools like Sketch and Figma. This approach allows us to harness the collective power of the whole government design community, and allows GOV.UK to innovate and adapt to changes whilst maintaining its strong identity. 2020 was a busy year, as teams around the country used the design system to build more than 30 new services relating to the coronavirus pandemic, sometimes in a few days. It's now being used in all the main government departments, and has been adapted by many other organisations in central and local government, and even by other governments. All this work has saved the taxpayer over £17 million a year, by reducing duplication of effort across service teams and speeding up service delivery. But most importantly, the design system has helped teams deliver more usable, accessible public services that improve over time.